Hello and welcome once again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare kabsa, and I hope you are all doing well. I removed the neck and the neck section that is attached here from the chicken. I also removed the wing and this back part here. I have removed these parts, and I will now show you how to remove the skin. I am going to remove this wing like this. It is necessary to remove the skin, the neck, and this section here. I will show you the method we are going to follow. We are going to let it rest for 1 to 2 hours, at least 1 hour. I am now going to start removing the skin from this chicken. It is better to eat healthier chicken. I am removing the skin and cleaning all the fat from the chicken before coming back to you. I will be right back. Here I have apple cider vinegar mixed with a little crushed rosemary. The rosemary should not be ground too finely, only lightly crushed. I coat the chicken with this apple cider vinegar mixture. As you can see, the rosemary should not be ground too much. I will cover the chicken and leave it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. I had already washed this chicken beforehand with lemon. I also used onion, ginger, and salt. When you keep it in the refrigerator and want to cook it, follow this process. If you prefer, you can prepare it in advance and store it in the freezer. Whenever you need it, you can cook it and have it ready. I am now covering it with plastic wrap, and you can do this even at night. You can leave it overnight. I am leaving it for 2 hours because I still have time before cooking. I will place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours and then return. We will then continue preparing today's recipe after the chicken has rested for 2 hours. As you can see, the chicken has released some liquid, and I am now going to wash it well. I have washed the chicken and am removing the remaining rosemary leaves. It is important to remove these remaining pieces. As you can see, I will let the chicken drain. I will leave it to dry slightly before preparing the kabsa. As I mentioned, the video will be quite long, so I will divide it into 2 parts. See you in the next part when we prepare the kabsa.